Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to start Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. Begin by confirming the gear is in park and the parking brake is set, then make sure the key fob is inside the vehicle. Press the brake pedal firmly, hold the push button start until the ready indicator appears, and release when the hybrid system initializes. Listen for the audible chime and check the dash for drive mode and battery status before driving. To start, place your foot on the brake, keep the key fob inside, and press the start button until the ready light comes on. The vehicle may remain silent as the electric system powers up, so watch the dash for confirmation. If the engine auto starts for charging or power, allow it to complete its cycle. Once the ready light is steady and drive mode is selected, release the parking brake and gently shift into drive. If the Outlander PHEV won't start, first confirm the key fob battery is charged and that the fob is inside the car. Inspect the dashboard for warning icons and follow the owner manual guidance for the specific message. Occasionally holding the fob close to the start button helps recognition. For persistent issues, contact a dealer or roadside assistance and avoid repeated attempts that could drain the 12V battery or disable systems unnecessarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.